1. Measure your chair's cylinder. Pull down the plastic skirt, cover the extendable, metal cylinder. Estimate the diameter of the cylinder by holding a ruler across it horizontally. Also measure the length of the cylinder when the chair is at the perfect height. You shouldn't need an exact measurement, but you can calculate the diameter from the circumference if you prefer to be precise. 2. Buy a length of PVC pipe. This pipe will fit over the pneumatic cylinder of the chair. It should be about the same size as the cylinder diameter, or slightly larger. Pipe 1.5 inches, 3.8 centimeters, in diameter works well for most models. Buy enough straight pipe to extend from the wheelbase of your chair to the seat when the chair is at the preferred height. 3. Saw through the PVC pipe lengthwise. Secure the pipe in a vise. Use a hacksaw or back saw to cut through the pipe from tip to tip, but only on one side. The end result should be a pipe with a slit in it, not two half pipes. 4. Snap the pipe onto the chair cylinder. Pull the chair's plastic skirt up or down to reveal the metal cylinder. Push the slit side of the PVC pipe against the cylinder to snap it around the cylinder. It should now hold the chair in place, preventing it from sliding down. 5. Add more pipe to adjust the height of the chair. If the chair is still too low, raise it and snap on another piece of pipe. You will not be able to lower the chair again without removing the pipe, so make sure you set it to the perfect height.